Hello everyone, I am Dr. Reshmi Roy and I am from Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. I did my first, I will give my intro that I have done my PhD from IIT Kanpur and then I went for a postdoc in University of Alberta, Canada. After coming back to India, I worked for a while in industry. Then I joined this institute. So today I am going to present pericyclic reaction lecture 2. This course is mainly designed for undergraduate and master students, and also it will be useful for JAM and NET aspirants. So in my first lecture, I have covered what is the pericyclic reaction, the kinds of pericyclic reactions, and also I mainly emphasized on the cycloaddition reactions and Diels-Alder reactions, the frontier molecular orbital approach of cycloaddition reactions, and also I have explained the endoselectivity in Diels-Alder reaction. And today's lecture, in this next part, I am going to discuss about the solvents. What are the solvents used in Diels-Alder reaction, dimerization of dienes in Diels-Alder reaction, stereochemistry of Diels-Alder reaction, intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction, other thermal cycloaddition reactions apart from this 4n plus 2 pi cycloaddition reactions, and Alder-Ring reaction. So first I will discuss solvents used in Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction can work without solvent itself, just mixing the starting material together and heating them. But the reactions are not ionic in nature. That is why only solvents which can mix the starting materials are good enough to carry forward the reaction. Now, sometimes it is observed that hydrocarbons are good enough for the reaction, and later it was discovered that water can act as a good solvent in Diels-Alder reaction. Although water is the most unlikely solvent for organic reactions, but for Diels-Alder reaction, it has a large accelerating effect. And it is also observed that if some water is added along with some other solvents, then Diels-Alder reaction is accelerated. And in water medium, we will get more endoselectivity while performing the Diels-Alder reaction. So here I am going to discuss one classic example of Diels-Alder reaction in water medium. Here, protonated amines attached to the dienes are taken as the diene component, and substituted benzoquinone is taken as the dienophile component. These two starting material undergoes Diels-Alder reaction at room temperature in water medium to form this intermediate. You see electrons are moving around in this circular manner. And in this intermediate, again this free amine will react with this carbonyl group to form a cyclic imine. And the stereochemistry of this compound is confirmed by NOE study, while the hydrogen atoms of this methyl group is irradiated in NOE. These two hydrogens shown positive NOE. That means these methyl and these two hydrogens are in the same side of the molecule. Now, dimerization of dienes in Diels-Alder reaction. So, in Diels-Alder reactions, both the dienes and dienophiles are there. So, is it possible that dienes will be dimerized themselves during the course of the reaction? Yes, it is seen that that dienes dimerizes during the course of Diels-Alder reaction and gives side products. But this dimerization does not take place to give an 8-member ring, because to form this in 8-member ring, this HOMO and LUMO of diene has to combine together. But here orbital symmetry does not match to give that bonding interaction if we consider supra-supra overlap. That is why in this order reaction, this dienes does not form 8-member ring while they are dimerizing. But instead that they dimerization of dienes takes place only through Diels-Alder pathway. That is, one diene will react with the only with the single bond of the only with one double bond of the other diene to give this substituted 6-member ring. Here homo-lumo symmetry, orbital symmetry matches to give bonding interaction if we consider the supra-supra overlap. Now I will discuss the stereochemistry of dinophiles in disorder reaction. If a dinophile used in this disorder reaction has a proper symmetry, so proper stereochemistry, that is faithfully reproduced in the product. When butadiene is reacted with dimethyl malate, they give this 6-member ring with this CO2Me group cis to each other. And when dimethyl fumarate is reacted with 1,3-butadiene system, we get the 6-member ring where COTME groups are trans to each other. So we can see that if this dinophile has a stereochemistry, the same stereochemistry will be observed in the product. Now I will discuss about the intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction. Intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction takes place when diene and dienophile present in the same molecule. The reaction are guided by only steric interactions present in the molecule, and Endo rule does not apply. Why it is like that? Because in intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction, both diene and dienophile they are present in the same molecule. Here this is the diene part and this is the dienophile part. During the course of the reaction, this diene and dienophile come close proximity, and cycloaddition reaction takes place immediately. And here this if we look at this dienophile part, what here no conjugating group is attached to this dienophile part. So that is why there is no chance of secondary orbital overlap. That should be present for that secondary that Endo rule is guided by this secondary orbital overlap. Since there is no conjugating group and there is no chance for secondary orbital overlap, so that is why here endo product does not form at all. We will get only more stable trans ring junction, and here only exo product will be formed. Here only steric factors will be taken into consideration, and we will get exclusively exo product. And in the second example, we have one carbonyl group attached to this dienophile, and diene part is same as before. Only there is no substitution here, obviously. And what happens here, due to presence of this carbonyl group, what happens, this carbonyl group will now overlaps from the backside of diene. Therefore, reaction goes through a boat-like conformation, and a less favored cis ring junction will be formed. But when this carbonyl group is attached to the other side of the double bond, then stereoselectivity of the reactions will be completely lost. In this case, what happens? Both exo and endo product will form in equal amount. But thing is that although reaction has no stereoselectivity, but it is stereospecific in nature. Here you see this CO2, this is the E dienophile. Here CO2Me and this bond are trans to each other. So CO2Me and this hydrogen are cis to each other. Now in product, we will find that after product formation, this CO2Me and hydrogen are cis to each other. So reaction in both cases is both exo and endo product this hydrogen and CO2 Me groups are seized to each other. So this reaction is highly stereospecific reaction, but there is no stereoselectivity in this reaction. And if we consider Z dinophile, here CO2Me and this bond are seized to each other, so this is a Z dinophile, and diene part is same as before. In this case also stereoselectivity will be is lost, and we will get a mixture of exo and endo product. But here also reaction is highly stereospecific in nature. Here CO2Me group and hydrogen groups are trans to each other, and here also in product we will find that CO2Me and hydrogen are trans to each other. Now I am going to discuss about the other thermal cycloaddition. So the cycloaddition reactions are not only restricted to 4n plus 2 pi electron system. It can also be done with 10 pi electron system. Here in this example, here are this is a triene having 6 pi electron, and this is a diene having 4 pi electron. So this is also a 4n. This also obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and here also cycloaddition reaction can happen. And since here one carbonyl group is there with this in this cyclic triene, this carbonyl will this carbonyl will overlap with the backside of this diene to give the exclusively endo product in 100% yield. And here is another example of 10 pi electron cycloaddition system. Here, after having Diels-Alder reaction, this intermediate will form, and from this intermediate, diethylamine will be lost to get this hydrocarbon. So this kind of cycloaddition reactions are not common in nature. The most popular cycloaddition reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. And lastly, I am going to discuss about the Aldrin reaction. So what is an Aldrin reaction? Uh, Aldrin reaction is just similar to Diels-Alder reaction, but here instead of a diene, we will use a monoene, and that other double bond is replaced by a carbon hydrogen single bond. And dinophile will be same like before, but in this reaction they will be considered as enophile instead of dinophile. So here this single bond is considered as enophile, and this other counterpart is known as ene. So propene is the simplest ene we can consider for the reaction. Here, HOMO of ene will overlap with LUMO of anhydride, that is enophile, to form this kind of product. So in reaction, we are not getting any cyclic product. We are getting complex side chains after the completion of reaction. So this kind of side chain is difficult to incorporate in a molecule. Only via Aldrin reaction we can incorporate this kind of allyl side chain in a molecule. And in Aldrin reaction, maleic anhydride is the most popular enophile among the other dinophiles. So this is the Diels-Alder kind of reaction, and it is known as Aldrin reaction. Here there are two examples of Aldrin reaction. First, reaction of beta pinene with acrylates. In this beta pinene, there is an exocyclic double bond, and this will act as the ene part. And in acrylate, this is the enophile part. So when these two molecules are interacting, the nucleophilic end of this exocyclic double bond and electrophilic end of this enophile um, uh, hmm, interact together to give the this kind of long side chain with this cyclic ring system. And one internal double bond also formed during the course of the reaction. These two end, this nucleophilic end of this exocyclic double bond and this electrophilic end of this acrylate has the largest homo-LUMO interaction. So, Aldrin reaction is useful to incorporate long substituted side chains in a molecule. And an efficient in reaction takes place when the reaction is intramolecular in nature, and we will use some Lewis acid to catalyze the reaction. So use of Lewis acid will increase the electrophilicity of this dinophile part, that is enophile part, and so reaction will be faster in rate. So here we can see that after intramolecular in reaction, we will get one cyclic counterpart is a decalin kind of system will form with a substitution, which is difficult to make in otherwise. So this is the these are the application of in reactions we can study. So in summary, what we have discussed today, we have discussed about the solvents used in Diels-Alder reaction, how dienes will dimerize in Diels-Alder reaction, stereochemistry of Diels-Alder reaction, intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction, other thermal cycloaddition reactions apart from this foreign apart from this 6 pi electron Diels-Alder reaction or cycloaddition reaction, and lastly Aldrin reaction. So the most of the contents are taken from this book by Clayden's Organic Chemistry and Subrata Sengupta's Basic Stereochemistry of Organic Molecules. If you have more queries, you can look into these two books. And thank you everyone for your time to listen to this lecture. Bye bye everyone.